Okay guys, here's our roots Terra-Sorb, and what you can see here is just looks like thick sugar, and I'll show you what it does. Okay, you can see I got a little bit right here. I'm going to add some water, and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, now you can see it's been a couple of minutes and how much it has sucked in all the water, so that's great. So now we know it holds water. So what do we do with this? We come over here, we're planting our new tree, and the top 6 inches you just plant away and sprinkle this in the top 3 to 6 inches, and when you water your plant, you know, if you miss watering a few days, then you know you're covered, and your plant, in this case my little tree here, won't die. So roots is a nice little insurance for when you're planting. Highly recommend it.